So good afternoon, students. In first part, we have learned about the some of the numerical problems on inverting amplifier, non-inverting amplifier, and adder. Okay. So in today's video lectures, we are going to learn the numerical problems on differentiator and integrator. Okay. So this is the circuit, or this is the arrangement for differentiator. So in case of differentiator, input is provided to this inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal is made ground. So input is provided through capacitor. So capacitor is connected with input voltage, and in feedback there is a feedback resistance. Okay. So in previous video lectures we have learned how this equation is obtained. So what is the output for differentiator? Output is equals to the product of resistance, which is in feedback, and capacitance of a capacitor, into the rate of change of input voltage with respect to the time. And there is a negative sign because input is given to the inverting terminal. So how to solve the problems? So problem is solved using this output equation. So what is the problem? The problem given that the input of the operational amplifier as a differentiator circuit is a sinusoidal voltage. So you have applied sinusoidal voltage at input. So such that the peak value is 5 millivolt. Okay. And the frequency is 1 kilohertz. Find out the output if the feedback resistance is 100 kilo ohm and input capacitance is 2 microfarad. Okay. So how to solve this problem? So first upon, what is given here? So this one is a your differentiator circuit, and what is given? Input voltage is given, and what is we have to calculate? We have to calculate the output voltage. So what is the formula for output voltage? Output voltage is equals to minus R, resistance is feedback, capacitors at the input, into rate of change of input voltage with respect to the time. Now they have given you the input voltage. So what is the input voltage? Input voltage is equals to the Vm sin omega t. So that is the sinusoidal input voltage, and Vm is your maximum peak voltage. So what is the maximum peak voltage? 5 millivolt. Okay, Vm is equals to 5 millivolt. So 5, you can take it as a 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 volt. Okay, and here omega is there. What is omega? Omega is equals to twice pi into f. So you can write this equation as a Vm sine twice pi f frequency into the time period. So what is the frequency? The frequency is 1 kilohertz. Okay, so f is equals to 1 kilohertz. So 1 kilohertz means it is your 1000 hertz. Okay, and what is the value of resistance given? The value of resistance is equals to your 100 kilo ohm. And what is the capacitance? Capacitance is equals to 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad means 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Micro means 10 to the power minus 6. So now how we are going to start? So what is the equation for the output? Output is equals to the minus R into C, rate of change of input voltage, divided by time. So first we will calculate the value of dVi divided by dt. Okay. So ddt of, what is the input voltage they have given? Vm sine omega. Omega you can take it as a twice pi f into t. Okay. So from this equation we will get the equation V. This will be gives you Vm. What is the differentiation of sine? Cos twice pi f into t. Okay. into 2 pi f, differentiation of twice pi ft. So this will give you the value Vm twice pi into f into cos, this is the cos 2 pi f into, so substitute the value. V output is equal to the, what is the value of resistance? Value of resistance is 100 kilo ohm. So that is 100 into 10 to the power 3. What is the value of capacitance? Capacitance is 2 microfarad. Okay, so that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. There is a minus sign. Okay, outside we have taken inside, into, what is this, what is the maximum peak voltage? Vm is equals to, they have given 5 millivolt. So Vm is equals to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, into 2 pi. What is the value of frequency? Frequency is equals to f is equals to 1000, or you can take it as a 10 raised to the power 3 also, into cos 2 pi, 2 pi. What is the frequency? 1000 into t. Okay, so in this situation, this value is equals to, so this 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power minus, this will be 10 to the power minus 3. So this is equals to your 200, minus is there, into 10 to the power minus 3, and this 2 will get cancelled. This is equals to your 10 pi. Okay, into, this will be equals to your cos 200, 2000 pi into t. So if you solve this equation, this will give you the value minus uh, 2000. Okay, 2000 pi into, that is 10 to the power minus 3 is there, into 10 to the power minus 3. So you can write directly this value. This value is equals to your minus 2 pi. Okay, minus 2 pi cos 200, 2000 pi into t. So this is your output. This is your output. If anything is missing, everything is right. Okay, Vm 2 pi 10 to the power 3 minus 3, 5 into 2, 5. Yeah, okay, okay. So this is your output voltage which is obtained. This output is a output which obtained for the which operational amplifier as a differentiator. So right in the this portion, I have to write the output voltage for the differentiator is found to be minus 2 pi into cos 2000 pi t in t. Okay, and what is the whole, its unit, the output we having the unit volt. Okay, so if you take some books, they have taken the voltage, this value 2 is this, 1 minute.